Comrades and friends, blessed Sunday. Without wasting much of your time, tine vanhu 2 vakapiwa motikari kumasvingo. Value yemotikari iyoyo, just put it at 80,000 times 2, that's about 160,000. Sabu kuvhara zipi is an artist. Whenever pamunomuona achibudikira pamarally or anyway, anenge atobhadharwa, anenge ari pabasa. And you see, but vanhu vanouya unoentertainer, you'll never see him posting anything which is pro ZANU-PF on Facebook posts ake, Twitter or anything, because anenge achitaura kuti career yangu, I don't want it to be political. We've got people like Banana Toki Vibes, Ja Praiser, and Sandakabona post ya Ja Praiser chiti pambiri neZANU-PF. Why? Because they are too smart to be politically involved. And you associating their brand with affiliation neZANU-PF only unless they are coming to get paid or imba. Then we've got Munu, more veteran, aruma mapiritsa eshuga ne BP. Atorima injuries ekuhondo. Ouya oswera akagara parally. And you see, ndiye anonyora maseu, ndiye anoita date week yemusangano. Ofuma achinzwa kunzi Ja Praiser atengerwa Range Rover ye 200 and something thousand. On top of that is going to get 150,000. Pamusoro pachona zvobva zvanzi. Mna Wicknell, on record, it's on record. Marie said, you must know that it's coming from ZANU-PF. One thing that has led us to this predicament, a mess which we are currently in as a nation, as Zimbabweans, is a tendency to not we hear no evil, we see no evil. And you see, it's something which is wrong. Let's just learn to call a spade a spade. Where are these people getting all this money from? And the Kanaruti is ZANU-PF EP. It went out Mudai because ZANU-PF operates with the mantra Gutsarujinji. And the situation which you are currently experiencing right now, it needs everyone on board. It needs an inclusive approach whereby as a nation will be able to address these issues and come up with a template which is mutually beneficial for everyone regardless of political affiliation. A time is coming which MuZANU-PF mancho tichapedzisira takuita vanhu vari kusungwa because they are speaking the truth. And we all know the person are targeted right now for speaking against corruption is Vice President General Chiwenga. And you see, and you see, so we need to come together as Zimbabweans and say enough is enough. Veterans per province anopuwa just 150,000 mari rupuwa Ja Praiser every month na week now. Motikari dziritengerwa navhara zipidzo kwauzodii. Imimi monzi share pa province muri 8,000. Munhu on an average basis goes home ne about $18 something. Kwautonzi tatokuitirai program project tatokuitirai kuti mutobatsirana kwauzodi unoite ne $18. Mari isingatokwani kukwira bhazi kuenda kunotora $18 iyoyo nekudzoka. Haitokwani. And urumo veteran wakarwira nyika une sugar, une BP, une mhuri yauri uchengeta nevazukuru on top of that. Ayo. And who is Tungwarara anyway? Where did he come from? Where is he getting all this money from? All right, adi kucherwa nemawo veteran mabows iwai. And you see, that guy was given money to buy 50 rigs. Right now, tine 32 rigs atuze mama acho anautowe. And amusucherwa bowo mahara. Racherwa bowo under normal circumstances bowo rofands $800. He is going to charge $12,000. So he stands to make more money. Ajishandisa more veterans, and still you keep quiet. We act as if everything is normal. Let's support the vision ya General Chiwenga. Let's act against corruption. Let's make sure we've got a stance which is not tolerative of corruption. And you see, and how are we going to do that? An inclusive approach which General Chiwenga has. Yekuti every Zimbabwean must be considered. Pfungwa dzake ngadziconsider kuti toita sei kuti nyika yedu iende mberi. That's what we want. Thank you so much. Blessed Sunday.